Alright, so now we're going to work on example 3, which is finding the area of a triangle. Now before we start the area of this specific triangle, in this box I want you to write the formula for the area of triangles, which we should all remember. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. Area 1/2 times base times height. Area is 1/2 times base times height. If it helps you to do the beat in your head, then go for it. As long as you remember, area equals 1/2 times base times height for a triangle. Okay, so now let's apply this formula. Write it above here. Let's apply this formula for this specific triangle. First, let's find our base. Now, our base of this triangle, we know it's the bottom, but it's not just 12, and it's not just 8. It's the whole base. It's the whole bottom. So 12 feet plus 8 feet gives us a 20 feet base. So B equals 20 feet. Now let's plug that into our formula. So area equals 1/2. 20 goes in for the base. Now we need our H value. B was 20. H, it's going to be the vertical line. It's a perpendicular line, meaning it forms this right angle you'll see, going straight up and down from the base. So here's the base. Here's our vertical line. So our height is going to be 5 feet. This line right here. So I can plug in 5 feet now for H. So our area is going to be 1/2. Now with multiplication, remember, you can multiply these in any order you want. That's the commutative property of multiplication. We don't have to multiply from left to right when it's all together like this. So I actually find it easier sometimes to leave the 1/2 off to the side and to multiply 20 times 5, my base times height. So 20 times 5 is 100. And now my area is 1/2 times 100. Half of 100 is 50. Now, if you just put A equals 50, I have no clue what you're talking about. It could be 50 salamanders, it could be 50 slices of bacon, which would be beautiful, but in this example, we have to make sure we label it correctly. We're given units of feet. Our height was 5 feet. We said our base was 20 feet. So our area is going to be area equals 50 feet squared. Make sure you label anytime you use area. 50 feet squared. I want to see this on every single time you find area. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. It'll help you stay organized and make sure you're finding the right areas for the triangles. With that, Ms. Gentil will set up the Kahoot. If you guys need to help her out, she's done it before, I think. But if you need to help her out, please do so. Be lovely, lovely, and have a wonderful morning. Bye.